Hey, how's it going? This is a tutorial on how to create your own Python package and upload it to the pypy.org website so that people can install it via pip install your package name. So if you want to access, we're going to use as an example a small utility I did last year called AI-Z. If you want to access the source code of this example, you can access it in its GitHub page. I'll put the link down below. But first, before we start, we need to install some dependencies. So the first dependencies you need to install is obviously Python 3 and Python 3 -pip. So there's the other dependencies. I won't go into details. But if you want to avoid installation errors with Twine, you need to install Cargo. If you have problems with the installation, don't hesitate to comment down below. I can help. So after you install these, you need to install the Wheel, Twine, Subtool, and TQDM packages. So Wheel, Twine, and Setup Tools is to build your wheel and also upload it to the pypy.org project. And TQDM is for the progress bar that Twine uses. Okay, so once you install these, I'll talk about the structure you need for your project. So one of the most important files is a setup.py Python script. So you import setup tools, and you can take your descriptions from the README. It's more convenient. So you do setup tools, setup, and then the name. So that's the name of your Python project, the version, type of license. I use MIT license in my case, but you can use any type, I guess. Name of the author mail, description. Long description will be the README that you read with here. And it's going to put the description in the long description variable. The website associated with your project. This is the requirements, so the dependencies for your Python project. So when the user pip install your project, it's gonna also install these dependencies. After that, for scripts, you don't need that, but I use it because I want people to just type AI-G and access the Python script, execute the Python script. But you don't need to add this if you don't need it. And then additional info and requirements for the Python version. So that's pretty much it. After that, you put your project in the folder name. So in my case, is AI-G. And then you need to create an init file. This way, you don't need to put anything in it. And this is your project, so it really depends what you want to do. And that's pretty much it for the main structure. So after you have your project ready, you can build your wheel with this way. So Python 3 setup be this wheel. So what actually this created is in your it created this many folders, like the egg info, but the most important one is then your this folder. It creates actually your wheel that you can upload to with Twine to pypy.org. So if you want to test your wheel, I already tested because it's a version I already uploaded. But if you want to test your wheel, you just pip install and then the name of this file. After that, you need to upload your package to Twine. And it's pretty simple. Use this command. But if you don't want to enter info each time, what you can do is actually create a pyrc file. So don't forget the dot in front and put it in your home directory. So you just copy paste this and change your username to yours, of course. The rest is the same. So after that is done, you can upload it. So it will ask to enter the password. Since my version already exists, it will give an error. But if it's a new version, it will upload it successfully. So that's it. So after, people can install like this. If you have any questions, don't forget to ask down below. Don't hesitate to ask down below. Thanks for watching. See you.